inside.
Shut down the door!
Get T, join.
Guys, get in here!
Go on inside. Get in the back.
No! Holy no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh my god! Oh my god!
This stunning footage from northern Pakistan captures a massive landslide, as torrents of debris and dust cascade down the mountainside with overwhelming force. The raw power of nature is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Can you imagine witnessing this up close?
Yalla, yalla. Look how you have from Daniel.
Boa. Olha se tiver, gente. Olha que doideira.
A dramatic rock slide shakes the peaceful hills of Soturno, Brazil, with massive boulders crashing dangerously close to an old train line. Fortunately, no injuries or damage to homes were reported, but the event has left residents in awe of nature's immense power.
Okay.
Watch as massive hailstones pour down in Carolina during a wedding ceremony, turning a peaceful outdoor setting into chaos. Cars, tables, and the ground are pounded by these icy blasts, showing just how unpredictable nature can be.
That bitch got big! And he's trying to roll his windows up.
Olha o vídeo, ó.
Olha onde que cai, olha ali que você não pode ficar ali não, gente. Olha que horror.
Look at this incredible sight. Massive clouds resting on the mountaintop, slowly drifting as if they're embracing the peak. Their gentle movement creates a truly magical moment, as if the earth and sky are meeting in perfect harmony. Look at this amazing phenomenon. One side of the road is pouring with rain, while the other side remains completely dry. A fascinating display of nature's unpredictability. In the bustling streets of China, a strange phenomenon unfolds. Thick foam covers the roads, leaving locals stunned. Is it nature's doing or a man-made mishap? Look at this, a rare and mesmerizing fire tornado. Scorching flames collide with powerful winds, creating this jaw-dropping display of nature's raw and unpredictable power. Captured on a home security camera, a rare and breathtaking moment. A meteor streaking across the sky, crashing into the earth, and showcasing an incredible display of nature's raw power. In Norway, an ice dam suddenly bursts, unleashing a massive surge of water and ice that tears through the frozen landscape. A breathtaking moment showcasing nature's power. Watch as this tiny crab skillfully creates its burrow in the sand.
It's gonna go. Keep watching. Keep watching.
There it is. Whoa, wow! Phenomenal! Big wall!
Captured in Pakistan, this powerful flash flood thunders through the valley, carrying rocks and debris, a stunning demonstration of nature's relentless force. Check out this incredible scene from São Paulo's countryside in Brazil, where a massive tornado-like formation dominates the skies. Look at this terrifying moment as a 7.1 magnitude earthquake shakes Nepal and Bihar. The streets tremble, vehicles lose balance, and chaos erupts, capturing the raw force of nature in real time. Watch this incredible scene from Iceland, where a worker uses an excavator to try and stop the flow of lava. A remarkable display of human determination against nature's fiery force. Witness the jaw-dropping moment as 3 enormous waterspouts spiral over the ocean simultaneously. A rare and mesmerizing showcase of nature's untamed power. See how 10,000 ducks are transforming rice farming. These amazing creatures act as natural pest controllers, fertilize the soil, and boost productivity.
Holy look at that, bro. How about look at it? Look at that. Oh,
Meet the incredible Melibe viridis, also known as the hooded nudibranch. This transparent beauty glides gracefully across the ocean floor, showcasing nature's fascinating design.
olha isso. Olha isso, gente. Acabou com toda a minha força, toda a minha energia. Meu pai amado.
Watch this shocking moment. A large python was spotted slithering on a moving car in Kuala Lumpur's Middle Ring Road, Malaysia, leaving everyone stunned as it made its unexpected appearance. Take a look at this unique scene from Wisconsin's Lake Chippewa, where local boat owners come together every year to move a massive floating bog out of the way. Watch as a frozen river gives way to powerful rushing water, shattering the ice and unleashing nature's unstoppable force in the heart of winter.
That big keeps coming this way.
Look at this amazing snow wall, naturally formed by winds. Take a look at this incredible 820-year-old lime tree in the Czech Republic. Its massive branches are supported with poles to preserve its ancient beauty.
Wow, those are visibly pink. Holy moly. Oh my god, look at over here. Holy, that is nuts.
Experience the amazing northern lights as they sweep across the Alaskan sky, lighting it up with dazzling greens and purples.
Look at this.
A breathtaking spectacle of nature's magic.
Oh my god.
My time to shine. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Take a look at this breathtaking sight. Molten lava flows fiercely from a volcanic eruption, reshaping the land and revealing Earth's raw, unstoppable power. These cows had a close call with nature's fury, narrowly escaping a sudden rock slide. Watch as a powerful flood in Brazil completely destroys a wooden bridge over the Rio Branco River. Oh my God, this storm is absolutely terrifying, tearing through everything in its path with unstoppable power, a true force of nature's wrath.
Oh no. No way.
Rolou uma explosão bem fortinha agora. Tá caindo as pedras. Olha lá. Nossa Senhora.
Oh my God, Nikki, look!
Watch this incredible scene as a river of ice slowly moves toward the house, a unique display of nature's power and beauty.
How is it doing this? Because the water's moving. The lake opened up, see? So the water, when the wind is pushing, the water's pushing all this up here. Look at it. You know how long it's going to take to melt over?
It sounds like a train.
Witness this incredible scene where a water main break in Dearborn Heights turned cars into frozen sculptures. A breathtaking display of nature's icy power.
So my son and I are driving, and this is what we see in the sky. Like, look at those colors. That is so bright.
Behold this mesmerizing phenomenon in the sky. A vibrant fire rainbow lights up the clouds, creating a surreal and captivating display of nature's brilliance.
So bright in colors. So cool.
Take a look at this incredible sight, a subsun. This mesmerizing phenomenon happens when sunlight reflects off tiny, flat ice crystals in the atmosphere, creating what looks like a glowing gateway in the sky. an intense wildfire sweeps through California, painting the sky with fiery hues and showcasing nature's raw power. This incredible dust devil twists and turns, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power in the middle of a construction site. Truly captivating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing moments from around the world. See you in the next video.